they don't, I mean, when they want to.
Alright, we are about to go up in Sam's Club to see if we get some water because it's supposed to snow tomorrow. So we gotta stock up. So I will go up in here. And I ain't got nobody card. My mama do. So I'm gonna have to wait on her. So I will catch back. Peace.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every romance loving 20-something woman wants?
Alright, so now we headed into Walmart because they didn't have the water that my aunt wants. So we finna go up in here and see if they got some Aquafina water in here, but they probably don't. So we'll be back. Peace. They got your water?
Nope. It's gone.
You don't like Dasani?
They had the Sony, but that's that small, that little, the 24 instead of 36 or 40.
Walmart got plenty of water if y'all wanted to come to Texarkana, the Pleasant Grove Marketplace. Plenty of water here. This kind of snow down south in Texas.
Hey, hey. Don't you see the silver line? Fire, fire, give me just some. Don't you see this fire, fire?
Diamonds are forever. What's up, y'all? I think I'm going to cook me some crab legs tonight because I got these king crab from Sam's. Well, my mom got me some, and so I had cooked some the other day in the Instapot, and I had let them cook for too long because I hadn't thawed them. Alright, so let me show you the crab that I got and what I'm gonna do. Alright, so these are my king crabs. I have the claw because I really don't like the claw. Some people like the claw, but I had the claw first. Go ahead and get that one out the way. And it was real hard to open, even though the pre-cracked. Once you got to the claw part, it was still real hard to grab. So I got these crab legs. I'm gonna cook them in this Instapot. I need to get that out. I had cooked it for 4 minutes and I really wasn't trying to. And so well, I was trying to, I guess I just didn't know. So I'm gonna do it for 2 minutes this time and see if that maybe can work. And then I got this butter sauce that I had made. I think I did some ginger ale, garlic, some chicken broth. I don't know what all I put in it, but anyway, it wasn't bad. It was pretty good. So I'm gonna use this with it. I'm really not tripping about putting anything on the actual shell because you're not gonna eat the shell. So I'm not gonna really put too much in that. Now, since they are pre-cracked, I am going to probably put some ginger ale and maybe a little bit of that chicken broth. I don't know, maybe some wine I got in there. Alright, so we're gonna just clean these crabs. Pretty big. get the crab legs going. But first we're gonna take this ginger ale and kind of cover the pot with. We're gonna just kind of coat the bottom of the pan. Not much. Because we don't want to boil the crabs. I learned that the last time. That should be enough. Take these crab legs, put them in how you can. So that's the crab legs in there. Got the crab legs in there. They're going down. There we go. Okay. So now we are going to put it on. Use this one time. I think you gotta do, we're gonna do pressure cook and got it at 4 minutes. We're gonna go down to 3, then I guess just hit start. Is it a start button? Okay, so it says it's on and it just has to come to pressure, which when I first used this thing, I didn't know it had to come to pressure. It took it probably like 10 minutes to come to pressure. So that's why I decided instead of me cooking them for 2 minutes, they're still a little frozen. I'm gonna cook them for 3 minutes on the pressure and hopefully that'll work. So see, it still says on. When I first did it, I was like, it's not doing nothing. I don't hear it doing nothing, but it will. So don't get discouraged and think that something's broken. It's not. So I got my sauce going. I need to slow it down. Oh, I need to definitely turn it down. So this is my sauce. So these are what the crab legs came out like. Then I got my butter sauce, as you can see. And we finna, I guess, Mukbang style it. I don't think I need no scissors because they're pre-cracked, but we'll see.
My senses, when I'm blessed with your presence, stimulate my mental and my physical as you speak pleasure into my existence.